Hola amigos, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to fold the tamales. Make sure you go back and watch all the videos in the series so you know how to hydrate the corn husk, how to make the masa, how to spread it, and obviously you want to make sure that you have all of that ready to go. So you need to choose what filling you're going to use. Here I'm using my vegan chicken and salsa verde filling, and the recipe for that is in my tamales cookbook. You want to place about a tablespoon and a half in the center of the corn husk, and make sure you don't go all the way to the top or all the way to the bottom. You fold in one side to the center, and then you fold the other side of the corn husk on top. You're going to grab the bottom tip and you're going to fold it up, and that's it. The next step is optional. Some people like to tie pretty bows around them. I don't usually do it, but you can do it if you're going to be making like several different filling flavors, and then that way you'll be able to tell like what is what. As you can see, I'm no expert at putting the pretty little bows on them, so it's completely optional, and that's it. You're just going to continue doing it until all your tamales are ready ready to be steamed. Okay amigos, that's it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to steam or cook your tamales. So make sure you come back for that. And again, you can check out my tamales cookbook where I share all of these tips. Plus, there's lots of different savory fillings and there's sweet fillings, tips on how to serve them, how to store them. It's just packed full of information. And that's it amigos. Have a fantastic day. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe, and share with your amigos if you think they'll find this useful as well. Have a beautiful day.